Ta-da! If you are following the channel, you would know that I just finished my Barista Skills certification from SEA. It was held in BCAA and Barista and Coffee Academy of Asia in Muntinlupa. If you want to see that video, I'm gonna put up the link here. After finishing the course, Anna actually surprised me with that awesome machine right behind me. I don't know if you've noticed, but the machine has been in quite some of the few recent videos that I've made, especially in Reels. I'm just doing the video now after having learned how to use it. So before I start explaining the machine to you, I'm gonna put the clip where Anna surprised me.
Go, 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 go! Dun, 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 dun. Yan daw yung gusto mo. Hindi mo na sense? Galing! Supplies! O, yan, mag-unboxing ka na. Kasi titrain ka pa niya, kaya kanya inaantay eh. Wait, parang ayoko to hawakan the whole time nag-unbox ka. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Kaya pala siya tanong ng tanong.
Tama?
Tanong
Sabi
ng
mo
tanong,
daw
anong
yan.
kulay gusto mo? Anong kulay gusto mo?
Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
Wow!
Okay, finish.
Hindi pa.
Ano?
Ito pa.
Store mo kasi.
Sir, ito. Yan, so kung napapansin mo dito sir, pag gusto mo siyang, yan, kung naka-direct, ilipat mo.
Crazy, right? I'm gonna need my my phone here because I'm not very big on espresso. So even though originally I started with an espresso machine, remember the Breville? The Breville Bambino, that was my first espresso machine. I shifted over to pour over and then I enjoyed. And then now I'm going back to espresso. This machine has a 1.9 liter heat exchanger boiler that is stainless steel, AISI 316. So it also has a 1.8 liter internal water tank. The group head is a thermosiphon group. It also has an energy saving system, which means depending on your setting, it will go into energy saver mode. So let's say you have your boiler setting at 120 degrees. So that you have somewhat 90 to 91 extraction temperature or group head temperature. That you can reduce that to somewhere around 80 if you're not using the machine. And you can also set the time for that. Oh, and I forgot to mention that you can you can put this direct in line, both for the wastage and the water intake. Yeah, so you have the option to not use the 1.8 liter water tank, because 1.8 liter is quite a small quantity. If you're gonna use this for like pop-ups and like small cafes, but for home, I guess that would suffice. That would be enough if you're gonna use it for home. But yeah, again, if you're gonna use it for pop-up and small cafes, it's not enough. You're gonna be refilling your tank for a lot of times during the day. The steaming power of this machine can go up to 1.5 psi, but that happens only when you have your boiler at its maximum setting and turn on the steam booster, because this machine has a steam booster. And since this is a heat exchanger boiler, your steamer or your steam wand shares the same temperature as your group head. So whenever you change the temperature of your group head, you also reduce the power of your steamer or your steam wand. So my setting right now is I am at 118 degrees Celsius, or somewhere 117, 118. That gives me exactly 9 bars of pressure. But the steaming pressure is somewhere below 1 psi. As a beginner in espresso and milk texturing, I am enjoying right now the lack of steam pressure because it gives me a lot of time to texturize my milk. Otherwise, you can ramp up the temperature to have better steaming pressure, and also you can turn on the steam booster. The steam booster gives you maybe zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.5 additional steam pressure. So that really helps a lot. The last thing that I really like about this machine is its connectivity. It has an app and it's Wi-Fi connected. You can actually not turn this off forever because you have the ability to put it on standby. And when you put it on standby, it turns off completely except for its computer. So when you have it on standby and the computer is turned on, you can access it through the app. So the Sanremo Cube has its own app, and you can set the temperature. You can let the machine warm up on its own. Let's say in the morning when you wake up, the machine is already warmed up. You don't need to like do stuff with the machine physically. The only things that you normally do with the machine is like turn on your group head and then turn on your steam wand or your hot water, and that's it. I always say that less moving parts is always better because you always have a lower chance to break something if you have less moving parts. I'm gonna make a video of the app just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm accessing the app right now. When you turn it on, so of course, when the first time when you connect to the machine, there is a QR code hidden under, like behind the drip tray, and then from there, you can connect your Cube app to your home Wi-Fi. Right. When you open the app, you will see your current boiler temperature, your extraction, and your log. There is a log that will show you like how many coffees have you pulled. I want to see where that is. Yeah, there, counters. So far since acquiring this machine, I've pulled 314 espressos. So there is a counter for the day, for the week, for the year, and your totals. Right. In this app, you can also, as you can see here, there is programming. So if you turn this on, you can actually select the days that the machine will turn on and off. So you can set that. Let's say you only turn it off. Let's say you only turn it on during Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, and it's turned off for the rest of the week. When you go inside that menu, you can also add time slots. So you add like time slot 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then from, let's say you want to make your coffee in the morning before you leave for the office or for work. You can have it warmed up 8 a.m. sharp, and then you don't even need to turn it off, right? It can turn off on its own. So you can set this maybe 9. Okay, so it turns on at 8:30, and then it turns off at 9 a.m. Right. Then you save that. Then on Mondays, it turns on at 8:30. When you go inside, you can also add another time slot. So it depends on what you set. It completely depends on you. So you turn it on in specific days and specific times. Right. And then you have counters. So you have counters, espresso counters for the day, for the week, for the month, and for the year. And then this is your Wi-Fi settings. There. And then you have your alarm. So if the machine needs some maintenance work on it, this app will actually tell you that. And then you have your user settings here. You can change your language. You have your boiler settings here. Unit of measurement, of course. The clock settings. Energy saving. Again, this energy saving, you can put it on standby or eco mode. And then filter report. And then you can set your machine name. And then the Cube Connect, I don't know what will happen in the Cube Connect, but so far it doesn't show a function yet. So far, I've had this machine for maybe a month now, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm gonna be making more espresso videos from now on. I'm also gonna be reviewing espresso beans, even milk maybe. So far, I'm enjoying doing my latte art. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really wanted to share how happy I am with the machine. Again, thank you, babe, for the surprise. This may be the best gift ever that you gave me. For now, thank you so much for watching. In the next videos, I'm gonna show you more about coffee. Bye!